We're going to take a look at two problems from Y.2 in IXL, and you're going to get presented with area problems, and one of them is a triangle, and let me show you how the triangle problem works. So the way you find the area of a triangle is you multiply the base times the height, and then we divide it by 2. So on one of these examples, you might see something that looks like this. They'll give you a triangle and they'll tell you something like the height is 3x and maybe the base is 2x. And so the way we find the area is we multiply those two things. So in this case, it might be something like 3x times 2x, and then we're still going to divide that by 2. So now the hard part is we got to multiply the base and the height. So take a look. The coefficients, 3 times 2 is 6. And these x's have exponents and they're ones. And x to the 1 times x to the 1 is x squared. And we divide that by 2. And then all I have to do is reduce this. The way you get a 6 is 3 times 2. And then I'm going to cross those 2's off. And we end up with an area, finally, of 3x squared. Now, if that same situation happened in a rectangle, and I believe it does on that assignment, you might have something like this, 4x and 5x. Well, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So we're just going to multiply those two things together. We're going to multiply 4x and 5x. And you have to remember that the 4x and the 5x both have exponents that are 1. And the area of this problem, we multiply the 4 and the 5, we get 20. And x to the 1 and x to the 1 is an exponent rule, and that makes 20x squared. So that's how you find the area of a triangle and the area of a rectangle.